Three, two, let's go. A lesson about memes. Presented to you by John Billy Ibetsaida, a student from Balit 1-1. Good good day to you all. We are here to discuss about memes. First of all, what is a meme? If you think about the images that surrounds in the social media, like those who are using memes like the one that's doing this, the baby one, or the girl who stares in the fire. There are so many memes in the internet lately that I cannot really pinpoint some really popular ones, but that is not what are we going to talk about today. The memes we are going to talk about is what Britannica 2020 said. Memes can take many different forms within society, including concept, a talent, conduct, a praise, or certain trend. A meme is a replicated and transmitted one individual copies a unit of cultural information from another. This memes is a culture memes that spread throughout the ages, from one culture to another, until to the point that the original idea of the cultural memes is now part of the culture of our own, a culture of the world. The significance of the memes. In the world we live today, we have so many ideas, from fashion to philosophy, hell, lessons that we always receive from our child is now being taught to school, to any type of organization. That is how memes spread. It is very significant in our culture because from one person to another, we use those said memes. For example, I usually see memes, the culture memes, whenever I go to school because there are so many people having different types of culture or different types of religion, philosophies, ideology, and all of those philosophical ideals. Memes is not just a one-time thing, but a generational thing. I keep rambling on the types of memes. So, these are the two types of memes that I and you know. First of all, the internet memes. While yes, it can still be considered as memes or be used as a type of cultural memes, it is only just to create entertainment, a nostalgic feeling, or just plain humor. While the cultural memes, while not being funny, is still creates an idea that replicates itself to another until it became a type of trend or a type of idea that spreads throughout the ages as well as the other generations. Why it's important to know the memes? First of all, to learn and appreciate different meanings of ideas we made. In order to create a meme, we should first have an idea. If we put this idea and blend it together and create a culture that tries to make a meme, we already succeeded. Next, to value the ideas and each person created. A meme isn't just spawned out of nowhere, but rather a meme is an idea that groups of people tries to create and virtualize. Lastly, to commemorate the idea of that specific person, whether it's a type of culture, fashion, or symbolism. A good example of these are the braids. The Africans use this as a form of lifestyle, as well as a caste system towards the higher types of braids or a highly or complex version of the braids is seen as the king or the chief of the tribe that they are going to form. But now, we appreciate the braids as a lifestyle, fashion, as well as the identity of the blacks. Another example is the red ribbon or the yellow ribbon. The yellow ribbon signifies the era that the Filipinos were back then. It symbolized the protest, the strength of the people as a form of voicing out their frustrations over the Marcos rule or the Marcos regime, as well as the idea of the assassination of of Benigno Aquino as the turmoil of the Filipino citizens. These are my final thoughts on the memes. Memes isn't just a JPEG image of a funny or entertaining message, but rather it is a type of idea that circulates throughout the generations. One day we can make an idea that some people will took and use their originality and create an idea and an idea and an idea, and to the point that your idea is now everyone's idea, and now the idea itself has been a part of the world itself. And that is a lesson about memes. A very short and very thoughtful presentation.